Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm back with another video on my super rare, super cheap 1991 Mercedes 300 CE that I paid $1,000 for. Hadn't started in decades. I paid very little for it because I didn't know what I got, okay? Does the transmission work? Does the engine work? The window, does it work? I didn't know when I bought the car. In today's video, we're gonna see if we're gonna take this a step further as we try to get this back going again, okay? So we have a couple of fixes that I'm really excited to share with you, and we're going to continue the cleanup process because it's a stinky mess in here, okay? So enjoy the video as we get this old girl back OTR ASAP OD. Yeah, that's on the road as soon as possible. Okie dokie. Holy crapola, look at this thing smoke. Yes. No. Why won't it run? Why? Take another bite. Not at the camera. Yeah, we got rain. But look, I've got a mystery button and a mystery switch. What do those do? What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
This is what I'm working with. It's not a lot.
I'm in the car.
Well, I think we're making progress. I think that side looks pretty doggone good. This one looks really good too. I still have some, whatever this white stuff was, I've got some tough stuff sitting on that, but at least it's, you know, the seat is gonna go right here, so I will always have a chance to clean that. Underneath the seats, we're looking really good. I did get another little bracket that will go here to hold the seat together. So what I wanna do now, as this stuff is drying, we're gonna reconnect the seat and see why it's not moving. Okay, I gotta check for power, and hopefully we can get the front seat to move, because that's gonna make driving much easier. But I'm so excited about this car. I really am. The interior is gorgeous. Unfortunately, the seat still does not work, but this one works. Yeah, so this is the one from the convertible, and I can make it do all kinds of things. See? Well, that's supposed to be the headrest going up and down. I can make the back go up and in and out, see? There we go. I can make this, see? So everything is fine, see? Going into the motor. So that's fine, which means there's something wrong in the motor. Wiring's fine. Motor or something is jacked up. So let's see if I can take apart the motor, which is going to be so much fun. I'm trying to be very smart about this. What I've done is I've taken this piece off of the seat that works from the convertible and I put it here. Okay, these are all 124 Coupes, basically. So if I was smart and put the key where it would be easily found, oh great, well it's way under here. All right, now let's give her some power and see if we got this seat moving. If so, I can order a new one of those. Well, a new to me one of those. What do you think? Is it gonna work? Yep. We found our problem. We have found our problem. Yep. Okay, everything is moving. So somewhere in here we have a problem, and I took the cover off, and it's got a lot of little transistors and shiny things and copper wire things, and it's just a mess. So we're gonna have to find another one of those to make this work, which isn't a big deal, but now we know the problem, so that's good news. Now that winter's here, let me show you just how easy it is to keep you and your family safe. Inside this very nice carrying case is the Wolfbox MegaVolt 24 air jump starter with air compressor. This is a high-powered, multifunctional jump starter that will protect you, yourself, even your vehicle, whether it's a weak battery or a low tire. With 4,000 amps of peak power, the MegaVolt can easily start your car, truck, or SUV. It also serves as a fast-charging power bank and a flashlight. This is a powerful unit that will jumpstart a vehicle up to 40 times on a single charge. Now this is thanks to its 88.8 watt-hour battery that can start up to a 10-liter engine. You can fully charge this MegaVolt in only 1.3 hours because of its 65-watt USB-C fast charging system. You can also use this unit to charge your phone, laptop, and other devices. Inside the carrying case is a tire inflator hose, and this will inflate tires of any size up to 160 psi. Plus, there are settings for vehicles, bikes, motorcycles, and other air-inflated devices. The best part, this isn't super expensive. This MegaVolt 24 air jump starter with air compressor is usually $185, but it's on sale right now for a little more than $139. Wolfbox is giving you an exclusive discount code because you're watching this video right now. So this unit will only cost you a little more than $129. Plus, there's a 42-month warranty, which is amazing. If you want to get some more information on this, just check the description box below. Something else I want to do is replace this. I think I called it the K10 relay. It's, well, a K1 officially, but most people call it an OVP relay. I hope. This looks completely different than what's in there. This looks completely different. What's going on here? We have one 10 millimeter fuse here, 10 millimeter, 10 amp fuse. We have two 10s here. Did they send me one for the other car? Is this for the E320? What? Maybe I'm losing my mind. I don't know. Do you have one? I would think so. Don't look at the car got attacked by birds. I do have one, but it's different. Well, let's do some investigation. Let's just see what I ordered. So I did put the new OVP in, and I started the engine, and she's doing great right now. I mean, she's really doing so well. So we're just gonna let this kind of well, here we go again. She does really well for like a minute, and then she just really completely shuts down. Something else I want to try as we get Clio 2 back on the road is behind the distributor cap and behind the rotor. I had someone reach out to me and say they had this engine, they had the car, they had the same problem, and the problem is the plate that lies between here and this and that gets old. So what I did is I removed it. This is said cap right here, okay? It's a cover. It's like $200, but look, it's all cracked. It's got a huge crack right there. And he says heat gets in here and it kind of sparks because there's metal behind here and you got a problem, okay? So that's what makes the engine run rough, which makes sense to me because it lies between there and this. So I've removed this one, and I'm in the process of removing the one from Clio 1. So same car, same engine. This one looks to be in a little better shape, and it has a T30 little bolt right in here to get this cover out, and it's keyed so you can't get it in wrong, and this part will come out. See how it's kind of loose already? I have to get this out first. So let me get some PB Blaster. We'll see what happens when I give it a little muscle, and hopefully it'll come out. Let's just see what happens. I've sprayed this PB Blaster in here. I don't want to strip this. These I just don't like these kinds of bolts. Let's just see if you're going to cooperate. Oh, come on now. I don't think you're cooperating as much as the other one did. Let's give it some love taps. See if that will help. Whatever, I just don't, oh my gosh. Just don't strip. I just don't think it's doing it. I'm afraid of this. Okay, let's see if we have another T30 that's a little beefier. Let's just see if you're a little stronger. No, you're not. Or is it loose already? Are you turning? Are you turning? You're turning. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, yes. Okay, hopefully you see what's happening here. We're doing God's work. Come on out. Here we go. You can come out. There's the bolt. Here this goes like this, so you're pointed at like... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You don't want to let go. Come on, man. What do I need? I need this. By the way, this part is $200 or $136 if you can find one. So yeah, this is great. There it is. Okay, we got it. See, it's keyed right there. Your missile just come right out. Do you look better? Well, I don't see any huge cracks like I do on the other one. So we're going to try this one over there and put it all back together and see if it runs better, okay? Maybe it will. If so, I need to get a new one of these for this car, for you, or maybe put it in the other one. I don't know. Well, let's just see how we did. Okay, so I've moved the cars because we have the great Snowmageddon coming. And I just wanted to make sure that the cars were, we're going to have a whole bunch of snow. I don't want my neighbor's tree to fall on my cars, so I moved everything. I let this run for a little bit, and it was really kind of, it didn't do very well, like it always does when it warms up. So let's see if we fixed something. Let's just see if she's going to run better. We'll let her warm up again. Hopefully so. Come on, baby girl, run good for me. So far, that's better. That's way better. Yeah, all we have to do now is wait. We just gotta wait for a few minutes. Hopefully she runs great. We are now 5 minutes and 17 seconds into the test, and it's running fine. It is running so much better. I think I have to worry about anything. Well, I have to worry about the duck. We had a possum show up and try to take Benzo from us, and Benzo fought him off, and he's a little worse for wear right now. He's getting better. He's a tough old duck. So I don't want to get too graphic, but he looks kind of ugly. But this engine is looking pretty and sounding even prettier. 8 minutes and 28 seconds into the test, we developed just a little bit of a fluctuation, which could be an idle control valve, which is right here. I haven't cleaned that out. I haven't done anything with spark plugs or anything at all. And if you look at the back of the vehicle, I'll show you in a second, but there's not blue smoke coming out at all. So if we go back here, remember all the smoke that used to come out? Whoop. See? That's not that's like 25% of the smoke that used to come out. So the car is trying to come back to life. It really is. I do have the EHA disconnected still, but if I plug it in, it doesn't make that much of a difference. So if I plug it in, that's way better than it was, though. It is way better than it used to be. So, have we done some good? Uh-oh. Don't screw up now. It's running smoother. We're almost up to operating temperature too. The idles dropped down to 500. Got that. Doesn't like that at all. It did not like that at all. Well, this is new. This is bizarro. Idle control valve. That's it. That's it. Idle control valve now. We'll have to clean that out. So I think once we remove the idle control valve and give it a good cleaning with some brake cleaner, you know, shake it like this back and forth, I think it's gonna be better. So absolutely a huge thank you to the subscriber who told me about the plate behind the distributor. I've done the distributors before on this, but I never even thought that the plate itself could develop cracks and let the spark arc. We got arcing sparks in this car. What a huge difference. And I haven't changed spark plug wires. I haven't changed spark plugs or anything like that. I just got to figure out how we're going to get this idle control valve out without breaking. Because yeah, these little plastic things are so brittle. Ooh, so yeah, this could be a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. We will be back with another video on Clio 2 and its progression as we get closer and closer to taking this out on the road, more so than just around the block. And yes, I have also moved. You can see right there, the convertible. I gave it a power wash. That's all. I haven't waxed it or anything, so we'll have another video on that coming up. And poor old Clio 1, well, he's gonna, he may end up as a parts car. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you again very, very soon. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.